Guys, is it visible?
Yes, sir. Visible.
Okay. So see, using 06 subfunction, retrieving DTC extended data record for a client defined DTC mask. Here also client is going to send for which DTC client wants to read DTC extended data record. Okay, understood? And if client wants to read all extended data record, will send FF. Is it clear? Like in it, uh, we will get it more clear when we'll see the example. But for time being, is it understandable, right? Same like a snapshot data record, using extended data record, we are going to read some extra information like occurrence counter, aging counter, okay? Those information. So now the vehicle manufacturer shall define format and content of the DTC extended data record. So vehicle manufacturer is responsible to define the format. Like in extended data record one, it should be occurrence counter or aging counter or what value you want to read. That has to be defined by the vehicle manufacturer. Okay. The server shall report one DTC extended data record in a single response, except the client has set to FE or FF because this shall cause the server to respond with all DTC extended data record stored for the client defined. If a client wants to retrieve only one extended data record, it will send that extended data record identifier. Except if client has requested for FE or FF, then in that case, server will respond with all DTC extended data record stored for the client defined DTC mask record in a single positive response. Is it clear here? Guys, is it clear? Correlate with the snapshot record, na? It's more or less same. Okay? And the server shall negatively respond if the DTC mask record or DTC extended data record number parameter specified by the client are invalid or not supported by the server. So in case if the DTC mask record is not implemented in the project or the extended data record number is not implemented, let's say 01 and 02 extended data record identifier are implemented and client is requesting to read the 04 extended data record number, will give negative response. Understood? And let's say the DTC is not implemented for the project and client is requesting for that DTC mask. Then server will send no such DTC is information is available in the server. Will give negative response. Clear? Guys, is it clear? Hello? Guys, am I clear? Guys, am I clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now we'll see. We'll take the same example. We have one low voltage DTC and one absent fault DTC stored in the memory. Okay. Now client wants to retrieve information for low voltage. Client will send 1906, that is for extended data record subfunction. Now for which DTC? So DTC mask record. Okay. DTC number. Do client want to retrieve DTC one is extended data record one identifier or all. So let's say we send FF. Client requested to read all extended data record which is implemented for this TDC. So the request will be of 6 bytes. First byte will be 19 service, second byte is subfunction, retrieve extended data record. These 3 bytes will be DTC mask. Client defined DTC mask means client want to retrieve extended data record for this DTC. FF means all extended data record want to read, like for a snapshot. All snapshot record want to read, then in that case, FF was requested by the client. Same for extended data record. If client want to retrieve all extended data record, it will send FF request. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Guys,
It's clear.
request is clear, right?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yeah. Now we'll go to response. So here the response will be first byte 59. Okay. Read DTC information, response, service ID. See, request is clear, right? You just make a note. Just make a note of this request. You done? Shall I go next? Guys, shall I go next?
Yes, sir. Done. It's good.
Okay. So now this is the positive response. So the first byte is read DTC information, positive response, service ID 59. Okay. And the second byte is report type, which is subfunction. So here is 06. Don't write for 10 because 10 is also same kind of response is received for this subfunction also. But anyhow, we are not going to see this subfunction. So just write 06 only. Okay. Report DTC extended data record by DTC number. 10 is for report mirror memory DTC extended data record by DTC number. Okay, so that is used for some specific project. Not all project will have this subfunction. Okay. Then third, fourth, fifth, and sixth byte is DTC and status record. DTC high byte, DTC middle byte, DTC low byte, and status of DTC. These 4 byte. Okay. Then the seventh will be extended data record number. So let's say record number 01, then DTC extended data record, occurrence counter value, aging counter value. Understood? Or let's say record 1 only occurrence counter. So record 1 occurrence counter, record 2 aging counter. Understood? Guys, is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Just make a note.
Okay.
Once done, do let me know.
Wait a minute.
Shall I go next?
Okay, sir. It's done.
Okay. Yeah. So we'll see an example. Okay. So example for subfunction 06. So in the following example, a DTC mask record, including the DTC number and a DTC extended data record number with the value of FF. Report all DTC extended data record. Here, request is made for FF. Report all DTC extended data record is requested by the client. Okay. So the request is made 19 service 06 function. Okay. DTC mask record is 123456. This is the DTC number. DTC high byte, middle byte, DTC low byte. And 6 byte is FF. FF is report all DTC extended data record. Is it clear, guys? So understood now example? Here
Yes,
example
sir.
is using 19 service 06 sub function going to retrieve this DTC all implemented extended data record. Okay. Now the positive response will be 59. 06 is the sub function. DTC 123456 and its current status is 24. Status of the DTC is 24. And for this, we have two extended data record numbers implemented 0510. For 05 value is 17. Okay, let's say this is occurrence counter. And for 10, the value is 79. Let's say this is healing counter, self-healing counter. Understood? So I will elaborate more in this. Yeah. Print, is it visible? The request is made by the client 1906125456 and FF, all extended data record. Okay. Now for this, assume we have 105 which stores occurrence counter. Okay. And let's say this is 2 byte information. And another is 0x 10, which is stored aging counter, and it is stored as 1 byte information. Okay. The request is made by the client 1906123456 FL. Positive response will be 5906123456, and status of DTC, let's say assume 24 is the current status, followed by extended data record. So first record is occurrence counter is in 05 and 2 byte of information, byte 1, byte 2. Then 10 aging counter, byte 1. Understood? So this is the positive response. These two occurrence counter, or let's say occurrence counter is value is 100. So 0064. And aging counter value is 10. So 0. Understood, guys? Guys, is it clear? Up now, this occurrence counter is of 2 byte or 1 byte or 10 byte, that has to be defined by OEM.
Okay.
The aging counter should be of 1 byte or 2 byte or 50 byte, that has to be decided by OEM. The structure of extended data record and formation of extended data record has to be defined by vehicle manufacturer. Correct? Correct now?
Yes, sir.
So is it clear till here?
Clear, sir.
Everyone? What about others?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Guys, is it clear? Any question? And guys, one more thing. If let's say here only requested for 05, then in the positive response, this will not be there. Only 05 and its value. Let's say here requested for 10. Then here only 1008. Okay. Clear? If client wants to read only aging counter, it will request for 10. Then only aging counter value will become. If client wants to retrieve for occurrence counter, it will request 05. Then 05 and what is the value for this? 0064 become 100. Occurrence counter is 100. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Any question till now? Anyone having questions? Any questions?
No, sir. Only there.
Okay, fine. Then we'll close for today. Tomorrow we'll see. I'll post in the group. Okay, tomorrow I have some work. So maybe 10 or 11 o'clock we'll have class. I'll post in the group. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, 10 or 11 it will be there. So definitely tomorrow will be having, because from tomorrow puja is starting, na, Navratri. So maybe some work is there. Okay. So I'll post in the group.
Okay, sir.
Huh?
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Thank you, guys. Bye.